Hello, friends. Welcome to Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great today. So, in this video, we will see what are your person's next actions towards you. Now, let's quickly see what are their next actions. So, we got 4 queens in our reading today, all the 4 queens in our reading today, and only we have Queen of Swords in the upright position. So I can see that your person feels that you are closed off in this connection. Somehow they feel blocked to move towards you. They feel intimidated by you. They feel that you have blocked them and they are unable to reach out to you, and like they are showing themselves as ill equipped, and incapable to take action towards you. But they definitely want change in the current situation, but they are keeping their cards close to their chest, and they are going by the going forward with a flow, like going with a flow. Okay, they are not taking any tangible actions in order to reach out to you, but they are holding themselves back because they have this fear of um, fear of getting into some major argument with you, or getting into some fight with you, because they want to avoid chaos and disaster in your life and their life. So they are showing themselves incapable to fulfill your expectations currently. Okay, and I can see that they do want new beginnings with you. They do want to start a new life with you, but they are feeling somehow blocked to move forward in this connection right now. They feel that they cannot meet your expectations as of now, and they have this fear of losing you forever. So they don't want to make things worse between you both. What I can see here, friends, they feel that you are emotionally unavailable in this connection, so they are feeling unsure about you, that maybe they are feeling some sort of rejection. They have fear of rejection from you. Okay, but they think about you a lot. What I am getting from the energies in this reading, friends, they definitely hold you on a pedestal and they definitely admire you, but they have this feeling of intimidation by you. They have this fear of like getting you into your temper. Okay, so they are just holding things as of now. Okay, and I can also see maybe there are some legal matters, or some marriage or divorce situation here also. I'm getting energies, friends, so just take however it resonates. So because of some legal issues, or some really practical concerns, they are feeling blocked to reach out to you. Okay, and they are feeling really worried, like how to take things forward with you. They want to avoid the disaster, and they really feel that um, that practically they cannot take things forward as of now. Okay friends, so these are the energies I'm getting from this reading. So their next actions are to get awakened to the truth, to take risk in this connection with this judgment card and the fool card. I'm seeing there will be some divine intervention which will thrust them into taking some action towards you. Okay, and I'm seeing that they will eventually have to reach out to you because of this divine intervention. Okay, so yes, their action will be to reach out to you to gain clarity in the current situation, and maybe they will not reach out to you um, instantly, or maybe they will take some time, what I'm seeing here. Okay, because I'm seeing right now they are closed off. Okay, and they are busy doing their own work, their own stuff. Okay, and but eventually I'm seeing there will be some divine intervention which will thrust them into taking some action towards you. Okay, taking some judgment call towards you. Okay, to have clarity in the current situation, or some new beginnings in the situation, in the current situation. Okay, in your connection. But I can see that definitely some major change will happen because of their action. Okay, so like um, some situation, they have to let go of some situation in order to take this connection forward with you. Okay, and it will require a lot of practical, tangible steps. Okay, what I'm seeing here, friends. So yes, their next action would be um, to have this divine intervention which will awaken their uh, awaken their truth, to have this new beginning with you. Okay, some sort of unfinished business is there which they need to address it, and then only they can move forward with you. Okay, it will take time, but I can see a major change, or some major steps will be taken by your person which will change the uh, you know current situation and make your connection to move forward in a right direction. Okay, so yes friends, so these are the energies I'm getting from this reading. So let me know in the comment section below if this reading has resonated with you all or not. I love to hear from you all. Also, I love to have you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye friends, take care.